Very good evening and good morning, everyone. Welcome to the ISS Combo Batch. So many of you have joined through the Zoom and LMS portal, which I have shared. Okay. So some of the students who have already enrolled, some of the students have given LMS portal link, and some of you have given Zoom link. Okay. So those who are in the Zoom link, so those who have joined in the respective platform, you can attend this introduction session on Informatica IICS combo training. Okay. So this is the 12th batch of Informatica IICS combo training. Okay. So what is this Informatica combo training? So normally we know what is, we all know what is Informatica, right? Informatica is one of the top ETL tool. So what is this combo training? When we come to the Informatica learnings, we cannot learn only Informatica. So to add more value for the profile, okay, because we are all having like a profile, like a product, okay? Every product will have its special features. Same like we are also a product for the market, right? So the companies, they will see like our profile like as a product, they will see better features. So we have to be enough features should be there in our product, that is our profile. So we should have more features. We cannot depend only on Informatica. So we should have more, right? So it will add more calls for you. Okay, first of all we need more calls. Then only we can go for interviews. Out of many interviews, we are going to crack very few interviews, correct? For that, first of all, we need to get more calls. To get more calls, our profile should be more, features should be there, more attractive should be there. So that we need to add some more features in our, some more skills. Features means some more skills, right? So when we come to Informatica, okay, before that, let me introduce myself. Myself, Hari, I have 14 plus years of experience in IT. Okay. I've gone through different ETL tools and databases in my career. I've conducted many trainings and corporate trainings. So this is my personal batch. I'm running this 12th batch. Okay. So in this training also, the corporate team also involved. Okay. So in the LMS portal, the corporate team, they are also attending parallelly. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So those who are talking in the LMS, maybe you cannot hear. So those who are talking in the Zoom, you can able to hear, right? Okay. So what is this Informatica combo training? As I already told, we will have more than Informatica. It's not only Informatica. One second. Yeah. So what is Informatica IICS combo training? One by one we'll see, right? So that we'll understand the importance of combo training and normal Informatica training. Okay. We all know what is Informatica IICS training also. We all know what is Informatica PowerCenter training, right? But normally we are not aware about the combo training. Okay. And why we have to learn combo training, how it is differentiating between the common Informatica IICS combo training, which is available in the market right now. Okay. So what is IICS combo training and why IICS combo training and why it is important for the current market scenario, right? And what are we are going to cover in this? First of all, Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica IICS IDMC, SQL. So within IICS, CDI and CAI also is there. Okay. We need to learn more about SQL also, so that because all these questions definitely they will be asking in the interview. If you go to the Informatica interview, definitely they will ask the question on SQL also. So 40% of the questions out of 10 questions, 4 questions will be on SQL. If you have Snowflake also in your profile and if you have good skill on Snowflake, so that will boost your call like anything. Okay. So Snowflake is also very much important. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, based on the topics, how we are going to cover, some of you may be confused, right? So you may wonder how you are going to cover everything in same batch. It's impossible, right? So that is what the very, very different thing in our session. Okay. So what we are doing here is learning in the same session topic wise. Okay. We are not going to complete the Informatica Power Center completely, IACS completely, SQL completely, Snowflake completely. Completely means we are going to complete everything, all the topics, but we are not going to complete the Informatica Power Center, then go to the Informatica IICS. Not like that. Okay. Same day, same session, we'll go through all these platforms in depth. Okay. And how the example, right? For example, today we are learning, joins. Okay. Joins means first we'll see the joins in SQL. How to do the joins? What are the types of joins available in the SQL? What are the methods available? ANSI method, right? Like this, different methods, and what are the types of joins in SQL, and joins in Power Center, Informatica Power Center, joins in IICS, joins in Snowflake. Okay. So why I mentioned here avail means all the topics not available in the Snowflake, whatever is available in the Informatica, wherever the same topic is coming. So we are definitely joins is there in Snowflake also. We can do the Snowflake. So we'll do the joins in Snowflake, we'll do the joins in all these platforms, so that the joins concept will become very much thorough. It will boost the confidence like anything for the interview perspective, for the real time job. Whenever you get an opportunity to work on joins, just like that you can work. Okay. Yeah. Same way, aggregation. If you are having aggregation in SQL, aggregation in Informatica Power Center, aggregation in IICS, but the top priority for IICS. Okay. The top priority for IICS. We are not going to give the full priority for, all other platforms is the hero here is the important topic is IICS. Okay. Because that is what the highest boost in the market now. Okay. So the people are not looking for the Informatica Power Center developers. They are not looking for SQL developers. They are looking for IICS developers, right? So we must have to be ready with this. Okay. So, but without learning IICS Power Center or SQL, we should not directly learn IICS. If some of you are good in Power Center, that is an added advantage. Since you know already Power Center, you can grab the IICS. You will get a touch. Okay, if you know already a person, if you get a comparison with that topic and this topic, then you can catch very easily. So that is the biggest advantage in the combo. Okay. Same way, all the topics, rank in Power Center, rank in IICS, rank in Snowflake. Okay. So we'll go in this way only, all the topics, but not all the topics. So Informatica IICS is a, or IDMC is a, one of the highly featured. Okay. It has a lot of features. All the features not available in the Informatica Power Center. Some of the features may be available, some of the features not available in Informatica Power Center. For example, hierarchy parser, hierarchy builder, all these features is not available in Informatica Power Center. But whatever the topics available, then definitely we are going to cover. So, but still, IACS is the top priority. For example, you may ask how many minutes you will take for SQL, how many minutes you may take for PowerCenter, how many minutes you will cover for IICS. So SQL alone will be there for at least 15 to 20 minutes. PowerCenter will be there for 25 minutes. IICS will be for 45 minutes. And Snowflake will be for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. So you can able to understand here we are giving the top priority for IICS, but we are not going to ignore any other topic like any other platform, because we cannot jump directly to IICS or IDMC. We must know PowerCenter also. So we should aware of the previous. Like always I say that usually I would say Informatica PowerCenter is like a bachelor degree and IICS is like a master degree. Without bachelor degree, we cannot jump to IICS directly. So even if you know this also, many of the students struggling while cracking the interview due to SQL. So some of them are struggling due to less calls. So to manage all this, to solve all these problems, we added Snowflake also. So when I add Snowflake, this will eradicate, it will solve all other problems. You will get more calls, you will have more skills, you will be attractive, your profile will become very demanding in the market. Then you are very much safer side. So this is not only for today, this is for tomorrow, this is for day after tomorrow, next year, next after 5 years, next 10 years. I can say up to next 5 to 10 years, this structure is more than enough. You don't want to learn anything. Okay. Of course, we can learn, but for survival, to get a job, to get more calls, this structure, this learning is more than enough. Okay. So, for example, yeah, like this will go. Okay, Informatica PowerCenter. We'll do the Informatica PowerCenter filters. We'll do the Informatica PowerCenter, all of the topics. Then IICS. This is how the PowerCenter will be there. This is how the IICS will be there. So we are having the SQL also, right? Same way Snowflake also, correct? Same way. Why combo training expression? We'll do some real-time expressions. So we know what is single row functions in SQL. All those single row functions is related to the expression in Informatica PowerCenter. So here we are going to write the queries manually for SQL. Okay, we'll write the SQL queries manually. The advantage of the ETL tool is you don't want to write this kind of queries very hardly. Okay, you will have drag and drop options. So that is why all the people, when they want to move to IT, from non-IT to IT, they are all attractive with the Informatica because there is no much codings. This is very much drag and drop. It's very easy and it's very attractive. It's very interesting, right? So it will grab the attention and okay. One second. Okay, am I not audible? One second. Am I audible? Others? Am I audible? My voice is clear?
Yeah, your voice is clear.
Yeah, please. Okay, fine. Yeah, right? So this is what the advantages when you compare with any other. Yeah, fine. Okay. Those who are in the LMS, am I audible? Hope LMS and both Zoom, I'm audible clearly, right? So this is the very big advantage when you compare any other Informatica training. Yes, even now also available, but we are not to compete with any other trainings. We have our own way of giving the training. That's what we are following. Okay. So this is the reason is it's a big advantage for the people who want to move from non-IT to IT. Okay. So our purpose is to support the people who are really struggling. Okay. So out of 10 people, out of 20 people, in our batches, we are not taking more than 20 or 25 people per batch to have a very clear and quality training. Okay. So that's why we are not giving too much marketings. Whatever the people coming, automatically we can manage. Okay. So out of the 20 or 25 people, hardly 8 to 10 people are very much hungry to get the job. So we will catch those people and we will completely support them. So what about the remaining people? The remaining people, the remaining people out of some 25, 5 to 6 people will be already working. So we don't want to support them too much since they are already working. Just to gather the knowledge to learn more, they joined. What about the remaining people? The remaining people normally they will be very much busy with their job. They will not attend the classes regularly and they will manage with the recordings and whenever so some irregular like that we can say. Okay, but we will first see the people who are very much hungry to get the job. We will catch those people and we will guide directly, right? This is how we are. Then same way router. This is a screenshot of router transformation in Informatica PowerCenter. So the router means one input, multiple targets. One source will be there, multiple targets. We can split the data into multiple targets. Like we have the customer data, we will split the data into multiple countries. Okay, so USA country, USA one target, India, Australia, like that we will make a separate target. Okay, so this is how. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, first of all, what are the advantages? What are the advantages in combo training? First of all, we can save the money. Save the money. How we are going to save the money? Okay, so saving the time, that is the biggest thing. Okay, how the time and save both are okay. For example, if you learn Informatica Power Center in the trainings which is available in the market, the price will be like 12,000 to 16,000. You should have to attend in a separate batch. You will not have combined batch. Okay, 12,000 to 16,000. You have to invest only for Informatica Power Center alone, and Informatica IICS definitely same price only, like 12,000 to 15,000 or even 18 to 20,000 also. Some of the training platforms. Okay, and IACS CAI also will be there. Okay, they will be normally it will be split into another batch like CAI also will become separate. Okay, so these are the options normally available in the market. I'm telling it is not in our training. Okay, I'm not telling about our training. This is the trainings available in the market, not our training. I'm telling. Okay, and SQL Snowflake just add both. Minimum it will be 10,000 to 12,000. So what about the total? Total fees will be like 40K. Okay. And duration minimum 4 months. Minimum 4 months it will take. Why? Informatica Power Center separate batch. IICS separate batch. So normally only for Informatica Power Center 2 months. IICS 2 months. Right? So this is a structure available as of now in the market. Okay. So what is the fees and duration at our training institute? Okay. So just everything we are giving just for 9,600, right? Everything 9,600. Some of the people they are asking why very less price. Any issue or any quality issue or any content is less? Not at all. We are going to cover everything. Okay. So first of all, for 9,600 also you can pay first half of the payment and start. The remaining you can pay after the 14 sessions. If not interested in between, you can get the full refund if you have a proper reason. Okay. We'll see the reason. If the reason is proper reason is there, then we have to accept it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So duration. What is the duration? 45 to 48 days or maximum we will take 50 days only. We will not take more than that. Okay. So normally our target is 45 days. Within 50 days we will complete everything. Okay. So daily it will be, the duration will be 1.5 to 2 hours. Some classes it will take less time. Some classes will take more time. Okay. But we'll cover everything within 2 hours. That's more than enough. So the total hours it will come around 80 plus hours means 80 hours or 85 hours. So we have the 24 bar 7 technical support. You can call us anytime if you have any issues or any doubts. We have the team for 24 into 7. If you are calling from US, yes, our team are waiting for a call. Okay. The daytime, I also will be available up to night at 11 o'clock IST. I will be available. And after that, we have the team. Okay. You can call us anytime, whenever you want. You can practice and you can call for any question. Right. So, yeah. Okay. So, as I already told, why our price is less. So the reason is, many years we know, personally I know also. Okay, lot of people are working in the Swiggy and food deliveries and lot of call centers without any idea of IT job. Simply after completed the degree also, they are working just for 25,000, 30,000, 40,000. After 5 years of experience, after 10 years of experience, they are struggling without any idea. Okay. But here in the IT, within 2 years, 3 years, yeah, please, someone hand raised. Please go ahead. Please, you can unmute and ask the question.
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yes.
you're ask,
Yeah,
yeah,
Informatica training.
I think your voice is less.
So Informatica training you are giving, right?
Yeah, correct.
That
Yes.
one, can we install that software in our local system
Yeah, I'll
for
just explain
training?
everything. Yes, we have to install 4 softwares in our training. Okay, we have to install
Oh, okay.
Informatica PowerCenter, we have to install IICS, we have to install Oracle, we have to install Snowflake, we have to install PostgreSQL. Totally 5 softwares we are going to install. I will explain one by one now. I will
Oh,
show everything. I will show all the platforms now only. Okay.
okay.
It's not
Sorry.
just a
Practical.
presentation. I am going to show everything practically now.
Okay.
All the
Sorry to
platforms I will, no issue, no problem. So struggling. Many are struggling in the non-IT with a very less salary without any idea. Our target is to take those people and move to IT. We should guide them. Already they are the people who are working IT, no issue. They got an idea, they got a path. We don't want to support too much. So that is why our price is less. Otherwise, our content is more, our price is less, our quality is more, our follow up is also more. Okay. Only the price is less, nothing is less. Yeah. Some of the people are struggling in coding jobs. So they are working in the Java, they are working in the Python. So always after 5 2 years experience, 5 years experience, 10 years experience, coding job is a headache. Okay. We cannot, even if you have become expert in codings is always a difficult job only. Everybody says. I personally spoken to many people. Okay. Coding means it's a difficult only. Okay. If you want a job without codings, then this is the best platform. So lack of proper guidance. Some of the people, as I already told, lot of people doesn't know anything about the job guidance. We should guide them. Okay. Yeah. Even lack of money, as I already told. Okay. Yeah. So what are the process? How we are going to? It will go 45 days. How it will go? Right. So daily session flow. How it will go? First of all, for example, day 1 to day 4, we will have basic SQL. It will have complete SQL alone and the topic wise practically. Okay. After that, we'll start through the combo. So joins, rank, aggregator. First SQL 15 to 20 minutes. IPC means Informatica Power Center 25 minutes. IICS up to 45 minutes. Snowflake 15 minutes. IICS with advanced topics. So lot of advanced topics available in the IICS. So as I already told, lot of intelligent structure model is there. We can able to use the Excel sheet also in IICS. Excel sheet cannot be used in the Informatica Power Center, and lot of features available. We have CDI, CAI in IICS. CAI is not available in the Informatica Power Center. So wherever there is no opportunity to compare, we cannot compare. Okay. So we will have the migration also. How to do the migration from Power Center to IICS. So we will have migration factory. Okay. And how they are migrating in the real time, those screenshots with real time, and how to handle this question. Because if you go to the interview, they will ask how to migrate from Power Center to IICS. Practical question and answers we have to give. Okay. So like this, we'll have the, yeah. So who can join? So those who are working in the Informatica Power Center developers, if you are already working in the Informatica as a Informatica Power Center developer, you are perfectly suitable for this because you know already Power Center. You will get the comparison with what you know already. Then you can able to grab very easily. Okay. So those who are working in the IT professionals to get more hike, definitely it has more salary compared to any other. Okay. If you are working in a Power BI or Tableau, if you are looking for more salary, definitely you can learn this. Your salary will increase. And Informatica IICS developers, already if you are working in IICS, you are perfectly suitable because you will have some advanced concepts. Even if you are working in the real time, you will not learn everything. Okay, once again, I will tell you, even if you are working as a IICS developers, you will not get the opportunity to work 360-degree because they will have a same concepts daily, certain transformations. By watching the mapping document, you will do the same thing. Okay, but here you will learn everything, whatever the concepts, whatever the way, whatever the project. Okay, because they will keep on change the project, they will keep on change the client frequently. So this 6 month one client, another 6 month another client, next year another client. Every client will have different yeah. So they will have different project. You should know everything so that you are perfectly, you should have to learn. So non-IT to IT, because as I already told, even non-IT people are very much suitable. So like that, we designed this course. It should be suitable for everyone because we are giving the SQL from the basic also. And any graduates, because we are added Snowflake also. If you are not, if you are a fresher, you are also suitable because we have the Snowflake also in this. Okay. If I am not adding the Snowflake, I don't recommend this training for you if you are a fresher. So we designed this course. It should be suitable for freshers. It should be suitable for experienced people. It should be suitable for everyone. Okay. So normally the questions they will ask, can I learn Informatica Power Center separately? Actually, very less calls. If you learn Informatica Power Center separately also, there is no much demand. I'll tell you openly. Can I learn Informatica Power Center? Informatica IICS directly without PC and SQL? No. You should have to learn Power Center also. Without learning Power Center, don't learn IICS. Many of the trainers are giving, okay, many of the platforms they are giving IICS training directly. So that is not at all correct. Okay. Without learning bachelor degree, how you will go to master degree? Yeah, yes. Since it's a talent is one of the top ETL tool, okay, and talent is not much calls is there, but IAS is having more calls. You're 100% suitable, okay. Yes, since you are going to learn PowerCenter also, very much suitable this one. Okay, clear, right? Yeah. So if you have questions, you can unmute and ask also. No need to even, yeah. Yes, yes. Okay. Yeah, IECs you can learn in this. Yes, you will get the complete comparison with other platforms also. IECs also you will get. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So we are going to learn SQL, Informatica Power Center, IICS Cloud. Okay. So interactive. We are not going to mute anyone in the session. You can unmute and ask any questions. We'll clear the doubt there itself. So if you have a get a doubt, if I keep on continue the session, if I say you ask the doubt at the end of the session, you will forget the doubt itself. That is what happens every time. Okay. Normally, the training platforms, they will say just note your doubts and ask at the end of the session. So that is not at all correct. If you have a doubt, please ask. Same doubt will be there for many other people. It will be helpful for others also. Correct. So that is what we are doing. Then we will have these are the platforms. Okay. So we will have the access through our web portal. Okay. We are having the Android app. If you go to the Google and search Rishab Informatica Group, you will find Android app. You will get the access through Android app. You will get the access through iOS app. We have the iOS app also. Yeah, you can unmute and ask Kirtan. You can
Is it helpful for certification, sir?
definitely you can go for certification. Yes, you
Like
can crack the
Informatica,
certification. Yes, we
Informatica certification.
yes. Definitely it is. It is more than enough to crack the certification. We have the guidance also to how to crack the certification.
Okay.
So it will be helpful to crack the Snowflake certification also, not only IICS.
Oh,
If you
okay.
have both certificate, you will be the top in the market. You will have a lot of demand. You don't want to worry about anything. Okay. Then whatever the recordings, everything will be, you will get the access in all these platforms. Web portal means in the laptop, you will get the access in our website itself. And Android app, iOS app. All these recordings will be stored here only, and you will have lifetime access. Okay. Then we'll have two real-time projects, healthcare and insurance and banking. Every session, every batch, we will have a separate projects. We are not going to repeat the same project for every batch. Okay. Some project will take retail, healthcare, or banking. Okay. Insurance, like this. Okay. So we'll have the active quizzes also. The quizzes will have some prizes also for this, right? So that you will be very much interactive and it will be competitive for you to attend the quizzes. Weekend we will have the Saturdays we will have the quiz for half an hour to 1 hour. Then we will have the classes. It's not only quiz. Just half an hour to 45 minutes we'll have a quiz. Then we'll continue the session. Yeah. Then I will tell you about what are the process we are going to do, right? Out of this. So day one, yes. Yeah, correct. Okay. So these are the previous things are normally in the healthcare. I will go for Takeda for pharmaceuticals, one of the top healthcare in US. It will be very much interesting, right? So any other healthcare also we can, if you are suggesting, I can take that as well, because Takeda Pharmaceuticals is the one of the top healthcare, right, in US. So I will take sometime Axis Bank, sometime SBI Bank, and sometimes Big Bazaar. Yeah, like that. Yeah, cloud application integration, cloud data integration. That is what a CAI and CDI. Okay. So yeah, I'll come back. Yeah, I'll come by one by one. I'll come. I will tell everything. Okay. So day one, I will share all the interview question and answers, sharing 100 plus docs. What are the documents? Interview question and answers, 500 plus question on scenario based questions on SQL, Informatica PowerCenter, IICS, Snowflake, everything I'll give. Okay. You don't, for each 500 questions on IICS alone, 500 questions on CDI separately, CAI separately. So out of that, you don't want to learn everything. If you learn some 100 questions, it is enough. Okay. If you have time, you can learn everything. And it will have notes, exercises, mapping documents. Our mapping document is very attractive. By watching the mapping document, you can do the mapping without even following the video also. That much clearly we have done with a lot of screenshots, with a lot of efforts. We created the mapping documents and we'll share all the files like CSV, JSON, XML, parameter files to practice more and more. And day 20, we will have the profile settings. Profile setting means many people will have different profile and different issues, different challenges, different guidance we have to give for everyone. So we need to suggest different things. Some of them are working, some of them are not working, some of them are gap. Okay, they might be not working from last 1 2 years, 3 years also. We need to treat in a different way for each and everyone. Okay. So we need to create the resume preparation, Naukri profile after 20th session and experience settings. That's what I told. Because without experience, they are not entertaining, bro. Right? For that, we need to see some different options. You all know we have to go for some experience certificates and like that and all. Okay. So we will have suggestions. Ultimately, we have the solution for everything. Okay. Because not everybody is working, not everybody is having the experience like real time. So when you are master the skill, then all other things you can eradicate, you can solve all other problems. If you are good in the skill wise, whatever the issue in your profile, everything we can do some makeups and we can do some changes. Some solution is there for everything. Okay. Yeah, we'll have the complete guidance. Personally, we will speak to you and we will solve all the problems, what to be done for your particular profile. And we will have a first mock interview after 23rd session. But I always say the mock interview it is not forcing, we are not forcing everyone. But it's not mandatory, but it is recommended, highly recommended. Okay. But some students, they are saying, after completing all the sessions, I will attend the mock interview. That is your choice. But this is our recommendation based on our past success. We designed all these things. Okay. So based on the interest of the student, I will do the SWOT analysis of the student. Okay. What are the strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats? Based on that, I will give some suggestions, what and all you need to improve. Some of them are good in technical, some of them are good in communication skill. Both are important. Even if you know the technical is strong, some of them are weak in the communication. How to improve the English? Because English also important, right? But you don't want to be a expert in English. If you know the basic English, that is more than enough. You don't want to, if you're talking English very nicely, they are not going to give the job, because we are not going to go for some English related job. Just to convey whatever the things, that is more than enough. But if the first priority is technical, then only your language. But language also important. Okay. You should know how to convey. That much it is enough. Okay. Then recording and sharing. After every session, we will upload the recording and documents in the portal, in our LMS portal. So you will get through our Android app, iOS app, web portal. It will be commonly available. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So recording is, if you want to record, we will we will record your mock interview and share to you. If you don't want to record, we will not record. That is completely, it's your privacy. We are not going to interfere in your privacy. Okay. If you want to switch on the video, you can switch on. If you want to switch off the video, yes, you can switch off and attend the mock interview. Okay. But if you go to the real time interview, definitely you have to switch on the video. You cannot switch off the video. Okay. They want to see what you're doing in the background. Because after this corona, after this pandemic, lot of issues is coming, proxy and so many things. They have to observe very clearly. You have to show your face and you should not do too much of activity. Just you have to see the eye to eye contact to the interviewer and you have to answer whatever they're asking. Okay. And if you are doing your mock interview done very well, and if you are interested, we will upload your mock interview video in our YouTube channel. If you permit, if you are interested. Otherwise, we are not going to upload in our YouTube channel. If you done well, otherwise we cannot. Yes. Okay. Then after the 25 session, you can attend the real-time interview. So normally you will go for mock interview and real-time interview after completed all the sessions. But in our session, I strongly recommend please attend the real-time interview after completing the after 25 session itself. Anyway, you are not going to crack the first interview, second interview, third interview, right? Simply you attend just see how they are asking the questions. Then you will understand, okay, this is what interview. This is how they will ask the question. You will get an idea. So recording techniques, I will tell you some techniques how to record the interview. Okay. So audio recording, you can do the audio recording of the interview. If any interview, if you are attending, don't waste it. Please record it. So that after completing the interview, you can take that recording and you can play it and you see how you answered, what are the questions they asked. Then it will be a great benefit for you. Each and every interview, if you 3-4 interviews, if you do like this, the next interview will become very easy for you. Okay. Then sharing. Yeah. We'll share all the question and answers in the WhatsApp. Okay. So others also should, whoever is attending the interviews, they will share the interview question answers in the WhatsApp group. And you can also share. Lot of interview questions will be gathering in the group. Lot of interview questions and answers will be gathering in the group. And you all sit and we also sit. I will also sit and we will find the good questions and good answers. We'll see the question, we'll see the answer. What are the best answers? Because same questions you will definitely get in the next interview also. Okay. So we will make a coverings like this and we'll, right? Yeah. Next, by using this, we can review the next interview. Okay. So we expect, right? After the day 35, we will have a, yeah. So here I mentioned as actually we will have a second mock interview. Okay. Yeah. Before day 35, you should have completed at least 3 interviews. Before day 35, you should have completed at least 3 interviews. At least 2 interviews. You will get a clear idea. Okay. And again, we will do the same thing, recording techniques and all. Yes. Correct. So you will have a second mock interview. Here I just, yeah, correct. We'll have a second mock interview after day 35. Yeah. Second mock interview after day 35. So ultimately, you should expect about yourself. You should crack the interview before 40 or 45 session. You should crack the interview. Okay. It's happening. It is happening in the previous batches. It has happened in the previous batches. Those who are hungry to get the job, they are getting the job before 40 session or before 45 session. It's very much practical. Okay. And if you are not cracked before 45 session, we will have a final third mock interview. If not placed, third mock interview I'll take, right? So every mock interview based on your interest. We are not going to force anything, but it is highly recommended. So how many interviews are attending, whether it is a mock interview or real-time interview, that is a part of training. So not only this is training, your interview is another way of training. That is a free training. In fact, it's a big advantage, because if you go and attend the interview, real-time interview, they are not going to charge you anything. You are not going to pay anything for them, correct? It's absolutely free, and you are getting an idea, okay, this kind of questions they are asking, correct? It's a big advantage for you, right? Yeah. Next, after getting the job, we'll have the continuous support until get the job. Maybe the batch might be complete, but we'll have the support till you get the job. Till you get the job, we'll have support, and after getting the job, free job support for 2 to 3 months. Many people are calling after getting the job, they are calling for job support. We are supporting them. So that also 24/7. You can call for 24/7 technical support. You can call for job support also. If you are getting the job, if you are our student, you will have a free job support, right? So 2 to 3 months job support is more than enough. Then after that, you don't want any support from anyone. You can manage yourself. So some of you message, thank you for informative introduction session. Could you please arrange on real time? It will help us evaluate the training in a practical. Yeah. Sure. We'll have 2 projects. Okay. We'll have 2 projects. You can unmute and ask Mahesh Kumar if you have any questions also. Yeah. Okay. Let us go to our platforms now. Okay. Let us go to our platforms now. Let us go to our, yeah. So, okay, let me give a quick introduction about the Informatica PowerCenter and IICS with a proper comparison. Okay. What are the hardware? Hardware means your laptop, I am telling. Okay. What are the, so what of the machines? Machine means laptop. What kind of laptop you should have, right? Yeah, you can have computer also. You can have a PC also. No issue. Yeah. You can have a PC, you can have a laptop. No problem at all. Yes. Yes. So PC is not an issue. PC also you can use, no problem. PC or laptop, no problem. No. I suggest don't go for anything new. Strongly, I'm telling. Until you get the job, don't invest on laptop or PC for new. If you are in Bangalore, there is a SP road. You will get a laptop for 10,000. That is more than enough. Same way, everywhere, even in Hyderabad also, it's same available, even for less price in Hyderabad. You will have a area for this laptop and all. Second hand, you please go for second hand. Don't purchase anything new. Okay, don't invest unwantedly. Okay, 10,000 excellent laptop available, excellent PC available, everything that is enough. Okay, don't want to invest on new things and all. If you are comfortable, then that is different. Okay, so what are the laptops? What are the configuration should be there? Okay, so Informatica PowerCenter is a on-premises ETL tool. You should have at least 8 GB RAM. You should have 8 GB RAM. Yes. Then 100. Yes, yes. So if you have 100 GB free space, then that is very good. We should have Windows 10 or 11. And IECS, you should have to install a security agent. Minimum, yeah, same only. If you have 8 GB, it's very good. Okay. I'm telling it, these are minimum. If you are, because some old laptops will have 6 GB or 4 GB and all. Yeah. So 20 GB free space is enough for this. This also Windows 10 or 11 only. Yeah, yeah, correct. Yeah. I'll go to the IECS Informatica Power Center and everything now. Okay. So this is the Informatica Power Center platform. I'll just show the platforms, how it will be there, how we are going to do, how, so that you will get an idea. Okay, this is what that. I will show the user interface of everything. I will show the user interface of Power Center. I will show the user interface of IECS. I will show the user interface of Snowflake. I will show the user interface of PostgreSQL. I will show the user interface of, one second, and even Snowflake and Oracle and everything. Okay, one second. Okay. Yeah, I'll tell that also. One second. You can go to the Google. You can, yeah, we have the video, everything. Okay. In our YouTube channel, we have all the videos, how to install Power Center, how to install IECS, how to install Oracle, how to install Snowflake, how to connect to IECS, everything. We have the video. We have the easy installation guide also. You can type IECS trial account. You can type IECS trial account in the Google, and you can go for, we have two options here: cloud data integration, free 30-day trial. You can go for this or you can go for this. So initially you can go for this one. Okay. So in this you will have lot of other platforms also, which is the Informatica service. What are the services available? Okay. There is a lot of services available from the Informatica, right? So these are the options available. All are free trial only, right? Yeah. Here we have API lifecycle management, cloud B2B. Okay. Even cloud data warehouse available from the Informatica itself. Okay. We can use Informatica as a data warehouse also. Many of the people not aware. Okay. We don't want to go for any other cloud data warehouse. So many of the companies, they are using even this also as a data warehouse, and also ETL tool. Cloud data quality is available. Okay. Cloud data ingestion replication available. Cloud integration hub available. So what you can do to get CDI and CAI, to get CDI and CAI, you can choose this one. API, it is the name, it is given as API and application integration as API only, but it includes both CDI and CAI also. Okay. So you can go for this start trial. It has two options also, CDI and CAI, both it is available. It is a 30-day trial account. You can give your name. Okay. You can follow our video in our YouTube channel, and you can able to install within 10 minutes or 15 minutes. You can able to create this account, and it is very, very easy. And what about Informatica? Okay, this one is important. This one is there, right? Let me open the IECS, my account. I will open. 1 second. I'll just show how IICS will be there, how Snowflake will be there, how Oracle will be there, how PostgreSQL will be there, Informatica PowerCenter, how it will be there one by one. I will just show everything now. 1 second. And how the data will be flow from all these platforms. How the data will flow from all these platforms, I will show. 1 second. So today only I created this account. Am I audible? Okay.
So I have already created one Informatica account. Is that okay if I just continue with that?
Yeah, you can continue, no issue. After completed 30 days, it will expire. Then you have to create another account.
Okay.
Okay, like this, you can make a save with, it's a new account. You can save your password with the Google password, then it will be easy for the next time. So this is what the Informatica IICS platform.
Uh,
Okay.
and I have my one of my friends' account also with me. I mean, they are working in some other company, so I have the access. Uh, I
It's a real time access.
Yes, yes, yes.
Then it is a big advantage for you. You will have more options in that compared to this. And you can check whether they have the migration factory option also. Okay, migration factory means, so to migrate from PowerCenter to IICS, migration factory is important. So
Okay.
that is not available in the trial account. Okay, so some of them who are working the real time. So normally I will try to catch those people and try to show in our training also. Okay, maybe
Okay.
definitely every batch some of the people available like that. So since I am also working in Informatica now, but my platform I supposed to be not show. So that much, if some of the things, uh, because since as a trainer, I cannot show my platform. Okay, others may show, not a big issue, right? So yeah, but I will share the, yeah. So this is the administrator. This is administrator. Yeah, yeah, I'll show one by one. Yes, yes, I'll show everything. Okay, I'll show Snowflake. Snowflake also I'll show. Yes, how to connect. I already connected with Snowflake also. I already connected with Oracle. I will connect with PostgreSQL also. That is also one of the top database. Yes, yes. Yeah, you can also create everything. You can create. We have the options for everything to create all the platforms we have. Nothing to worry. Yeah, this much platform is, if you know all these things, your profile is very much secured and your life is very much secured. You don't want to worry about anything. Okay. Yes, yes. No, see, previously Informatica Power Center was very much, it was in the boom. Now IICS, that's it. IICS is having a long future, nothing to worry. Okay. Good future is there for IICS, nothing to worry. Because we are adding the Snowflake also, that will add a big value for this. See, like this, we'll have a runtime environment, right? So like this, so it is having CDI and CI also. So this particular process server, it is related only for CI, not for CDI. So these 4 services are related to the CDI, and sometime it may showing like error. If you restart, okay, you can stop and start here. Then it will be up and running. You have to, okay, I'll tell you everything, no issue. So this is what, right? Yes, yes. So this is what administrator, it will show the, go to the license. The license, it will show when you created the account and when it will expire. See, I created today only, September 19th. Today only I created. It will expire October 19th. Next month 19th, it will expire. And yeah. No. You cannot directly add. You should go to the add-on connections. You should go to the add-on connections and you have to add whatever you want. Snowflake. See, a lot of cloud platforms available here. Okay. Yeah, readily available. Yes. You don't want to add JDBC or any. Yes. The popular databases, popular platforms, you can directly connect. No issue. Yeah. See here. All are 30 days trial account. All are 30 days trial account. These platforms, everything we can able to connect. SES connector, right? And it is showing next sets. Amazon Dynamo DBC and yeah. Cloud application integration connector available. SAP, it is related to SAP, right? Yeah. And Informatica for, see this one I already taken. That's why it is showing license available. If you want, just type here Snowflake. Okay, just simply type Snowflake. It's available. You have to click on the 30 days trial account. Once if you click on that, it will show like license available. Whatever the service you have already taken, it is available. Like that it will show, right? And what are the other services? And click on this. It has IBM MQ connector, Informatica, right? And Databricks connector. Yeah, data lake. It is related to data lake. These are databases I'm telling. These are the, see, IECS is a ETL tool. IECS is a ETL tool. These are the databases because without database, ETL, yeah, correct. Yeah, correct. Okay. So like this, lot of platforms is there. If you keep on, it has totally 12 pages. If you keep on click on this, you will find a lot of pages. Every pages will have some 10 platforms here. Okay, IBM, yeah, everything. Fine. We'll come to the, yeah, I'll go to the, yeah. So these are the connections I already created just now. Today only I created the account connection with the Snowflake SRC, Snowflake TGT, Oracle source, Oracle stage like this. And I will go to the, see, this is the Snowflake. Snowflake is very, very interesting database. Okay. So why I am telling interesting, if you ask, Snowflake has a very real time, because if you go to the Oracle, see, this is the Oracle. This is the Oracle. If you see here, it will have a default tables. Default tables will be there. It will have only some 100 plus records for sample record, correct? Select start from employees. It will have some, only some 107 record will be there. See here, right click. Yeah. Actually it is got hanged. I have to restart this Oracle. Sometimes we have to close it and reopen. Okay, let me close this and we will start this. I'll just close this sometimes it will become hanging. We have to close and reopen the Oracle SQL Developer. Okay, you have to restart and it will take some time. Let it take. So we'll come to the Snowflake now. See, Snowflake is very much real time, because if you see the number of sample records, you will not believe it has so much of records. So it will give a feeling of real time. If you go and work in the real time, you will have millions of records, first of all. Okay? It's not like 100 records, 1000 records, or 1 lakh record, not like that. Crores of records. In the Snowflake, you will find crores of records available to practice. So that is what the real time. So that's why Snowflake also important. Okay. For example, just I'll go, okay, this is a Snowflake. I already created this account. How to create this Snowflake and all, I will tell you. Okay. We have the video. You can within some 15 minutes, we can install this IICS. You will have the options for installing 120 days trial account. Yeah. Correct. Right? Yeah. See, this is just if you click on this SQL worksheet, see, this is what the platform. So loading databases. So it is having a sample data. So this is the database I created in my name. So this also I created. So these are default database. If you click on this sample data, you will have different schemas here. Okay. Right? Just I will click on this 10. Okay. Click on this 10. Then we can see what are the tables available in this. What are the tables available as you can see in this. Yeah, I'll tell you ISS. See, if you click on this sample data, just click on this and you will have a lot of tables. Just go through this schema. It is showing the tables. These are the tables I have not created. These are the default tables. Okay, these are the tables available in the Snowflake itself for our practice purpose. So you will not even believe so much of record they have given for our practice purpose. Okay. For example, select count of star from customer. Select count of star from customer. Just run this query and you see how many records it is there. One second. I think I opened this one. Yeah. Yeah. Correct. See how many records it is showing. Can some of you tell this number? 15 lakhs, right? This is or
15 lakhs.
see, think like that. 15 lakhs records available. You are going to work with this. You should have to be proud, right? So many of them are asking real time. This is what real time. Number of records also in real time. If you go and work in the real time, crores of records will be there. Okay. So can we see the crores of records? Yes, that also available. Yes. Click on this. Go to this. Okay. Previously we selected this one. I will select this one now. TPCH, this schema. Okay. In this schema, if you see, select star from customer. What is the number of this? Can some of you tell? What is the number of this? It's 15 crores, right? Yeah.
Yes.
15, you are going to work with 15 crores records, right? Just assume you are going to load this record to IICS. Then you will load the same to Oracle, or you take this Snowflake as a target. So that is what we have to practice like that. Then only you will feel yourself like you are working in the real time. Okay. So that is why I'm showing this particularly. Okay. So no any other database, they will give this many records for practice purpose. Okay. As I already told, if you see the Oracle will have only 107 record. Okay. That is okay for practice. Okay, I no problem. In the real time, I will see lot of record. That is different. But in the Snowflake, you will get that practice now itself. In the training platform itself, you will get that confidence. Okay, I already worked in the big platform. Yeah, I'm just opening the Oracle. So I already connected this IICS with Snowflake and Oracle also. I am going to connect with PostgreSQL also. What is that PostgreSQL? What is that PostgreSQL? See here, this is the PostgreSQL. So this is also one of the important database. We are going to work more with all these three platforms: PostgreSQL, Snowflake, Oracle, and Azure also. Okay. So how to connect all these things? If you have this much of experience, you can go and do anything in the interview. Okay. Yeah. See, okay, this one is there. If you see in our website, okay, in our website, we have a SQL platform. In our website itself, we have a SQL platform. You can practice the SQL in our SQL platform also. So a lot of advantage is there in that as well. Okay. So this is our website. So what are all, how to, yeah, correct. So this is our website. So after a lot of efforts, personally, I created this SQL platform. Even this website also designed by myself only. Okay. Yeah, correct. Yes. So design and developed by Rishab Informatica Group only. We are not given for any third parties because we need the options like that. Okay. So yes, if you see here, we have the crack the next interview. So free, it's available. If you click on the Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica questions available. So these are the questions which is asked in the real-time interviews. Those questions only we have added, simply we have not added. So it's available for free only for everyone. Informatica. Okay, you have the notes, exercise, mapping documents, everything available, right? Separately for PowerCenter, separately for IICS, separately for Snowflake, separately for even Azure also. Okay. And all the courses we have here only, all the courses. Okay. So Informatica IICS combo, this is what the training we are going through this. Then we have Informatica Cloud also. and Informatica IEC separately, CAI separately, Snowflake, these are the trainings available with us. Okay. Next, I will just click on our SQL lab practice. As I already told, SQL lab practice. Click on the SQL lab plus practice. So this is our SQL platform. Just run the query. Okay. So this is our SQL platform. You can practice the entire SQL here without any installations. No need of any installation. Directly available. It's always live. No need of installations, anything. Simply you can open and simply you can practice. No need of installations. No installations. No need of even creating the account. No need of login. No need of logout. It will be there always. Simply you can open and you can create the tables. You can insert the records. Every practice you can do here. Okay. All the practices you can do here. It's completely free only for everyone. Okay. If you want, you can log in or you can log out also. Even if you log in, log out, you will get the option. Some extra options may be available for if you log in, right? Some sample records I have kept. So some of the tables are you cannot drop or truncate. Some of the tables are sample records. You cannot remove it. It will be there permanently. So if you want, you can create your own tables and you can practice, right? Yes. No, it's our website only. Now, in our website itself, you can practice the SQL completely. It's very easy. You don't want to install or anything, but you should have to practice even in the Snowflake. You should have to practice even in the Oracle. You should have to practice even in the PostgreSQL, because our SQL platform is not very popular. Just for practice purpose, it is available. But these are the popular databases. You should know all these things. Yes. Yeah. So I will come to the Informatica data integration. What are the availables? See, application integration. This is what the CAI platform. This application integration is the CAI platform. We have majorly two parts in IICS: CDI and CAI. CDI and CAI. Okay. So CDI, where it is there? This data integration is the CDI, cloud data integration. This application integration is the CAI, cloud application integration, CAI. These are the major two parts within IICS itself. So these are related to this only. This API is related to this only. This administrator is common for both. This API manager is related to this only. This data integration, operational insights, monitor is related to data integration. Okay. I will just click on the data integration. I'll click on the data integration. So no need to get confused. First time, if you see, whoa, so many platforms, how can I learn? Actually, this is easy to learn. Okay. Because we are going to learn in a same topic. If you are doing the joins, we will do the joins in SQL. We'll do the joins in IICS. We'll do the joins in PowerCenter. We'll do the joins in Snowflake also. This many features nobody can give. Okay. Yeah, correct. Now, let it since it is a cloud, it will take some time to load. So this is the cloud data integration, CDI. We are going to open. So we will do a sample mapping also. We'll do a sample mapping also. Okay, let it load. I will come to the Informatica PowerCenter platform now. Okay. So this is the Informatica PowerCenter. Just open this. You can simply connect this. This is the Informatica PowerCenter. No. First priority for IICs only. We will have more time for IICs only in the training. Okay? Because IICs is the top priority. Remaining and all, it is supporting. Yes. But we cannot ignore also. We cannot ignore Informatica PowerCenter. Directly learning IICs is not at all recommended. Okay? Because many of the companies, they are doing the migration projects. Many of the companies they are doing the migration projects. You should know what is PowerCenter. You should know IICs also definitely. Okay? So you cannot ignore PowerCenter. You may be expert in IICS, but you should know PowerCenter also. We will just we'll try to do the sample mapping on both IICS and PowerCenter also. See, these are the batches we already completed. So we are in the 12th batch. Okay? Yeah. You can create a folder. Okay, we'll create tomorrow. I'll just open through the previous batch only. So in the previous batches, what are the mappings we have done? I'll just show that. You will get an idea. Okay, this is how the mapping will be there. Right? Yeah. See, these are the mappings we already created in this particular 11th batch. That is last batch. Yeah. See, for example, this is the source, this is the target. We need to use a transformation between this. Okay. I'll just do a mapping now. Within 2 minutes, I'll complete a mapping. You will get an idea. Okay. So I'll just load from PowerCenter to. Okay. For example, we have a table. Select start from students. So from the Oracle is the source. Oracle is the target also. See here. So select start from students. Right click, count of rows. 107 record is there. Okay. Or I will take the employees table only, right? Employees table. This employees table, and I will open the target. Yeah, correct. No, not like that. Not like that. Just a minute. Yeah, just show 1 minute. Okay, how the process will go? Yes. See, for example, this is the source. This is the target. This is the in between a transmission. So the client will send the record from here to here. Okay. And assume that this source is okay. This is the source. Assume that this is Oracle. This is the Oracle, and this is your Informatica PowerCenter or Informatica IICS. It's a ETL tool. Okay. And this is assume that this is your Snowflake. Normally, that is the practice. Many of the clients, many of the projects, they are using Snowflake as a target. Snowflake as a data warehouse, DW. Okay. So this is what we are doing here. Simply this ETL tool. Yes, yes. See, lot of records will keep on come from the client's records. That record we have to do the transformations based on the requirement, based on the mapping documents. Then we have to move to the data warehouse. That is the process as a ETL tool, as a ETL developer. Okay. So ETL developer will have this kind of work only. Okay, this is highly demanding. Why? Because this ETL process is very much important. Without ETL developer, this process cannot be done. So that ETL developer is always needed. Although we have AI, artificial intelligence, and so many things, still ETL developer will be there for always. Yes. Not everything can able to done through the AI. In fact, AI will create more job in this because it will. Yes. Yeah, it will make the process very easy. That's it. Even in IECs also, even in the Snowflake also, they integrated with AI now. All the platforms they have the AI. Okay. Even in our website we have the AI now. Okay. Yeah, you can click on this. You can ask any questions about SQL. It will answer. Any questions? Okay. What is joins? What is joins in SQL? But this AI we created only for Snowflake. Only for SQL. See here, it is answering. In SQL, joins are used to combine rows from. You can ask any questions like this and it will answer. But it is related only to the SQL. It will not answer any other general questions. This particular AI we created only for SQL because SQL also important. Yeah, correct. See, it shows completely everything. Joins complete topic is this showing. Like this, you can ask any questions related to the SQL. This SQL, we have lot of documents we have added in this to create this AI. Okay. And we have the another platform here. If you click on this left side, this pink color, it is about our courses. Okay. You can ask any questions about our course. It will answer everything. It is like a student assistant. Okay. So you can ask any questions about our course. What is combo training? Simply you can ask, it will answer. What is IICS combo training? See here, the IICS combo training is a comprehensive program offered by Rishab Informatica Group that covers multiple technologies including SQL, PowerCenter, IICS, Snowflake. So completely it will show. Okay. You can ask any questions about our platform. All the questions it will answer. It won't answer any other common topics. So this platform for only for our courses and about our institute, and this platform for particularly for SQL, it is designed. Okay. So in our platform itself, AI is doing so much. Then you can assume about the big platforms like IECS, Snowflake, all other standard platforms. They also have. Yes, correct. So yeah. Sure. Okay, I will just do a quickly. I will complete a mapping. Okay, I will complete a mapping in IICS first. See, this is the IICS. This is the data integration. Click on this new. We have the my jobs and everything here. I will do a basic mapping immediately. So this is the, click on this mappings. Click on this mappings. Create mapping here. So this is what the IICS platform. So this is what the IICS platform. IICS will have a source and target readily available always. But in Informatica PowerCenter, it is not like that. We have to add. If you create a mapping, it will be empty initially. Okay, click on this.
So, one question. So in IICS, we'll have this source and target already. We just need to set like what if the source is Oracle, we need to extract it into CSV file or something like that. In this, how to do?
Yeah, I'll just do the basic mapping for both PowerCenter and IICS now. You will get an idea. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let us do this first in IICS. Then we'll come back to PowerCenter. Okay. Click on the source. Click on the source. I'll just complete this mapping in 2 minutes. This introduction session will complete within another 10-15 minutes. We'll complete everything. Okay. So then you can ask any questions if you have any questions about your profile, or whether you are suitable for this training and everything. You can ask. Okay. See, click on the source. What are the connections I created? Right. Everything it will show here. Oracle source, Snowflake source. I am selecting now Oracle source. Right. Click on this. Click on this select. It will show all the tables which is available in the particular schema. Object means table. Okay. Yeah. Correct. It will take some time. Initially, first time it will take some time. Yes. Because it's a new account for me. I'll tell you how it will work. Okay. See here. See here. See here. You will have. Yeah. 1 second. 1 second. See here. Like this, it will work. Okay. See, this is your laptop. Okay. Or this is your company. This is your company. This is the cloud data warehouse. Assume that this cloud data warehouse is Snowflake, and this is your Informatica cloud. This is your IICS. So this company, or here we are going to install a security agent. This security agent will help to connect these two platforms. Assume that this Snowflake is in some other country and the cloud is in some other country. So the data will flow from here to here and here to here, here to here and here to here. In between, there is a security agent. This security agent will help to connect with these two cloud platforms. Both are cloud. Snowflake also cloud. IICS is also cloud. This is only for IICS. This is not for Informatica PowerCenter. Since Informatica PowerCenter is not in cloud, it is in your laptop. It is your on premises. Okay. Yeah, this is a project architecture. So this is how the data will flow from the one end to another end. Okay, we'll get the data from here and it will go like this. I'll explain this in the session. Okay, but this is how the data will load. Yes, this is your cloud platform. Within this, you will have your ETL tool. So, and we will have different reportings will go. So, data marts. Okay. So, this is your EDW. That is your enterprise data warehouse. This is architecture. Same way, we have separate architecture for PowerCenter, separate architecture for projects, separate architecture for IECS and Snowflake also, right? Yeah. Now, so okay. Previously, I was in this, right? It was loading. Now come back to this employees table. Yeah. I'll just close and tell you. Okay. Click on this select, and since it is already connected, it will connect fast now. First time it will take some time to load. Click on these employees. Okay. I will load this employees, whatever the records to the target, or I can take any table, not only employees table. It is loading. So just try to understand the data is in the Oracle. This is in your laptop only. It is not a cloud. This database is not in the cloud. This is in your laptop only. Now the cloud platform, it is fetching the data from your local database. It is trying to take the data from your laptop and it is connecting now to the IECS. So this server is in it is in the US. Okay, this server is in US. Now it is connecting from here to in our laptop to that server. So since it is the first time, it is taking some time to load, right? Okay, so let it get load. Come back to the PowerCenter. Let us see that also. This is the PowerCenter. So let us create a mapping here also. Create. So already I created, right? Okay. So click on the source. Create it. And we have sources and targets here. I will take the employees table here also, or I will take any other table also, no problem.
So in here we have to drag it. We have to just drag the table.
Yeah. Yes, you have to. Yeah, no problem. Just we have the sessions, no issue. So you want to do the mapping only? Yes, you have to drag. Yes. Employees. Okay. So always it will come along with a source qualifier in PowerCenter. If you take only the table, along with that source qualifier also will come.
What is source qualifier?
Source qualifier, it will convert the data into Informatica cloud native data type. It has its own data type. To that data type, it will convert. That is what the source qualifier. For example, if you see the data here, it will convert the data into its format. See here, it is coming in the format of number. It is converting to decimal. Of course, both are same. Its data type is decimal, n string, data time like this. But the actual data which is coming here in this way, number nvarchar2, the nvarchar2 is converting as n string.
What are we converting this into? We are converting this table into source qualifier.
No. Source qualifier will convert the data to move to the target. Okay, I'll add the target now, right? See, this is the target. TGT employees. It's very interesting and it's very, very easy also. Anybody can do this. And it has a lot of demand also. Simply you can take and drag it. See here, drag, right? Control save. See here, it's showing us invalid. Why it is invalid? We'll check it. Sometimes it will show like invalid. Just I will close it. I'll just delete and reopen. Then it will be. Sometimes maybe within our platform also, sometimes error will be there. But this should show us valid. Then only we can go to the next step. Control save. Now it is valid. You can see sometimes it will simply show us invalid. Just okay, it is valid. Now you click on this W. I will tell you, no problem. Just I am showing a introduction, step by step, each and everything I'll tell you, no problem from the beginning. Okay. So this is not the class, just showing the platforms. Okay. So we have a separate class for this. For everything, we have a separate class. This is not the mapping class, just it's a sample only, no worries. No worries. Okay. Just I'm showing a flow, how the data will flow like that I want to show. Create W flow. That means workflow. Right? And you can click on this. It will show whatever you created in this platform. What is the name I given? What is the name I given? It will show here. See here, map to I given. Map to whatever you created, it will show here also. See here, map to, correct? Then you can simply drag and drop like this. Double click on this mapping. So no worries, no worries. Simply you observe. We have the separate class for everything with complete explanations. Just it's a sample only. Okay, just change this and truncate. Truncate means the current data, whatever is there, it will remove and it will load separately. Control save. It is valid. So this is the monitor. Let me open the monitor. In the monitor, it will show how many records it is loaded. No worries, no worries. I'll tell you
So
everything.
earlier when Informatica started, like they had this one only, PowerCenter.
Can you please come again?
No, earlier when they started Informatica, they had this PowerCenter only, not IICS, right?
Correct. Previously,
So
PowerCenter was the boss
new
in Informatica
tool.
world.
Okay.
Very, very popular and it's a top ETL tool.
Okay.
Now within Informatica, they introduced IICS Cloud like that. Still, Informatica is the top ETL tool.
Okay.
Lot of other, as someone said, talent is the one of the that is also one of the top ETL tool. But still, Informatica is the top ETL tool. Talent is there, Azure Data Factory is there. A lot of other platform also is available. Yes, yes.
Can you, after this, can you show one with Snowflake also?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Snowflake also will show, no problem. Yeah, yeah. One second. Okay. Now we have to start the workflow here. Okay. Start workflow. It is loading now. If you start workflow there, then it will load here. It is running. Yeah, first mapping, it will take some time. First mapping, yeah, it's succeeded. So it should show like succeed. Right click, get run properties. Click on this. Out of 107 record, it is loaded from source to target. Now you go and see in the target, it should be available in the target within the Oracle platform only. We used both source and target as target only, Oracle only. Snowflake, I cannot connect here since it is yes. Yeah, some other process is there, but here we'll do the Snowflake connection with IICS. Since both are cloud, it will be very easy. So this is the target. Select star from TGT employees. It's loaded from source to target. So this is loaded from source to target. Just now it is loaded by your Informatica PowerCenter. Previously it was yes. Clear, right? Any question? Okay. We'll come to IICS now. Same thing we'll do in the IICS now, right? Same thing, exactly same. Okay. Same table we'll use, no issue. Yeah, it's already connected, right? Yeah, it's already connected employees table. Click on the target now. Same thing we'll do. This is how we'll do in the session also. If I am showing one example, same example for all. Same example for PowerCenter, same example for IICS, same example for Snowflake, everything. Okay. Click on the target. I'll connect to target only, this also, Snowflake also. So you can, if you want, you can truncate it. Truncate means you can remove this same, yes. Truncate table TGT underscore employees. That means we are going to remove the record here. It's truncated. There is no record in this. If you see how many records, how much it is showing? 0 records. Now it will load from IICS. TGT employees. TGT employees. Yeah, TGT employees. Okay. Yeah, so many schema it is available already. Okay, you can also create so much. So my suggestion is practice in different way. Then That is what the real time. Okay. Even if you are working in the real time, you will not get all the opportunities. I am telling repeatedly. Okay. Even if you are working in the real time, you will not get the opportunity to use all the transmissions, all the platforms, and everything. But in the training, you will get 360-degree, all the platforms. That is the advantage. You can say like you are having 4 years of experience after the training with confidence. No problem at all. Yes, 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 yes. 3 to 4 years of experience knowledge, definitely you can gather. No doubt at all. Even if, even more than that also. Yes. See, it's connected, right? Click on the field mapping. Since I already truncated, I don't want to truncate. Okay. See, we have the 3 buttons here. Okay. Here we have 3 buttons. So if you click on this button, it will show only this platform. You can do the mappings comfortably with big mappings and everything you can do. If you click on the center button, it will show both the platforms, this and this. If you click on this right side, it will show only here. Okay. Right click here, smart map. It will map automatically and save it. Once if you save here, you will get a run button. Click on the run button. We don't have workflow level here. Directly you can do the mapping. We have the mapping task. I will tell you that, but workflow level task is not, it is not mandatory in IICS. Directly you can complete a mapping. My jobs, refresh here, refresh here. Refresh here. Yeah, since it's cloud, it will take some time. We have to refresh multiple time also, sometime. That is also, this is loading for the first time. It will take some time.
Uh, So one more thing, if you give assignments and all, will you be, checking that whether we did correctly or not and all?
Yeah, yeah. Every session we have the exercises. I think I already shared all the documents, right? For you.
Yeah.
In
Yeah.
that, there is a folder called exercise. After completing every session, please go through that exercise and complete, and you have to share that to us. We'll see that and we'll confirm whether any mistake is there and everything. We will evaluate, and we will highlight in the class also who is completing the exercises very correctly and regularly also. Okay.
So
See, here
today
it
we
is.
have something.
Uh-huh.
Today we have any exercise to do?
Today you can simply take no, today there is no exercise.
We
It's
can do
a,
all the installations, right?
yes, simply you can uh, installations you have to do. Yes. See, 107 record, it is completed. You can just now we truncated. Now this should be loaded now. See, here it is loaded. Correct. Same way we can connect. We can connect. Same way we can connect this Oracle and this ETL tool. This is to Snowflake also we can connect, or vice versa. So this can be Snowflake, this can be Oracle, or this can be PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL we can load. Okay. PostgreSQL not connected. I will connect now. I'll show you in the sessions. PostgreSQL also how to create. I will tell you that. Okay. Yeah, yeah. You can create all. PostgreSQL is not mandatory, but what are the things mandatory? If you ask, I will go to our YouTube channel. I will tell you what are the videos available. Those videos you can follow and you can install very easily yourself. If you are facing any issue, we are there to help you. We have the full support, how to install and everything. Okay. So this is our YouTube channel. Simply you can go through this. Yeah, all the videos available. Yes. You can install Informatica PowerCenter. You can install IICS. You can install Snowflake. You can install Oracle. How to connect Snowflake, that also available. Okay. So here, this is our YouTube channel. In this, we have the very clear and easy video, step by step, each and everything we given very clearly. Okay. First, what you want to do? Please install first Oracle 11G installation. Okay. Yeah. If you go through the description, you will find the download link and everything. Yes. Yeah, sure. Yeah, correct. Firstly, Oracle 11G. So just click on this download anyway. So you have the complete clear steps in this to download the Oracle and install, right? Next, we'll go through the Informatica PowerCenter. So this is the Informatica PowerCenter video to install. Okay. See, this is what Informatica PowerCenter, step by step live installation with easy installation guide and the software also. Okay. The software is available in the description of the respective video, respective softwares available in the description. Next, how to install IICS IDMC. Please go through this video. You can able to install IICS easily within 10 minutes. To install this Informatica PowerCenter, it will take some time. It will take some 45 minutes to 1 hour for Informatica PowerCenter. But every step easily we given. If you follow, then you can install. IICS, it will just take 10-15 minutes. You can complete. Next, Snowflake. So how to create Snowflake trial account we given here. Okay, if you follow this video, you can able to install Snowflake, and another video is available here. Snowflake IICS connection and first mapping. You can do the first mapping. Okay, you can do the first mapping by connecting IICS to Snowflake. Okay, just I'll open this. So don't think that I'm a ETL developer. I don't want to worry. Now go to the admin again. So every steps we given here, how to connect to IICS this Snowflake. It's very easy and simple if you follow it. Okay. And yeah. Next, I will show the documents, what you have to do after every class. Please go through this. This document I already shared to everyone, whoever is enrolled. Okay, how to use this document also I'll tell you. Okay, see, this is the document set I shared already, those who already enrolled, right? So normally what you want to do, first 3 to 4 question, 4 days, day 1 to 3 4, only SQL will be there. You can complete the exercise. For example, I will open this exercise. It's related to SQL. If you want, you can start today itself if you know already SQL. So these are some SQL questions: how to create a student table and insert some records into that, add a column, drop a column, change the column, change the table name to student details to student, from the student to student details you have to change it. Change the column name of student ID to student ID like this, and create the below table and insert some sample records, right? And question 3, add mobile number, qualification, all this you have to complete. If you complete this much up to some level, you are good with SQL, right? Then next, then you can go through this. Next we'll have, if you come to the transformations, for example, Informatica, filter transformation, go through the filter transformation exercise. This is the exercise I given with the full tips and all we have given how to complete the exercise also. It's not very difficult. Okay. First of all, you have to create the table. In that table, you have to insert the CSV file. Steps also given everything clearly. We have given the create statement also. Simply you copy paste and create it. Don't want to create yourself. Okay. Simply you copy this and paste it and import the CSV file into your table. Go to this. I'll create the table. Everything is within seconds, everything will complete. Okay. Ready-made document, everything. Create table. I'll give already some other name I'll give for this. Students 5, simply for a, because I already have student table. Create this table. One second. Sorry. I given here. Okay. Now it should take. Yeah. Table created, right? Next you can import. How to import? Okay. Simply you just follow the screenshot. Okay. Follow the screenshot. You can able to import. See here. Click on this table, whatever you created. Right click. Import the data. And that CSV file. CSV file I already given. Where it is there? Here only it is there. In this folder only. So that you will get the table readily available and you can use it. Okay. In the sessions and all, I'll tell you directly. No problem. Okay. So this exercise,
Where do we find interview questions?
yeah. See, these are the exercise I given, right? So this is the first question. You have to create the table and import. And the second exercise, load the students who are getting stipend more than 3,000 under the coordinator ID to 1590. Then exercise 3, exercise 4, 5. For every session, we will have exercise. Please complete the exercise. Then you will have full idea about, okay, everything. Okay. Same way, all the sessions will have. For example, joiner transmission, joins exercise. See the exercise, how it is there. We have given the full tips also, how to connect. You will get an idea like this. Okay. Like this, you have to create. Question, load the students who are from UK and earning stipend more than 5,000. Consider the source and target table as per the below diagram. Hint, use either SQ transformation or filter transformation to filter the records. Depends on the scenario for PowerCenter and IICS. All the exercise you have to complete in Informatica PowerCenter and also IICS. If you don't have time for PowerCenter, you can complete only on IICS. Okay, like this. Like this, all the transmissions will have a exercise. And also we'll have the mapping document also. Mapping document, how to do that? You'll get an idea how to do the mappings. Directly you can watch this and you can do the mapping. See here. Just follow this. Every step is given with the marks and all. Okay. Whatever I'm telling, same thing showing with the document. If you follow the document, it will be very fast for you. See, it's loaded and it is showing the record like this. For all the transmissions, we have the mapping document as well. See here, aggregated transmission. Like this, all the exercise you can complete and send to us. Okay. I'll just tell you within just 1 minute how to complete the exercise and send it. Okay. Yeah. Create a file, create a Word file and open it. If you want, put some border. Completing exercise will make you expert. I'm telling, very important. Completing the exercise is very important. You have to manage to complete the exercise. It will be very much helpful for you for cracking the interview, because all the exercise I given us in the as a interview question only I given all the exercise and all. Okay. You can give your name. For example, your name is Ashok. Okay. Give your name. You can mention as exercise. Then what do you want to do?
So should do this as the documentation, like with the screenshots and everything?
Yes, that's what I'm showing now. Okay. Just take this question. For example, this is the question. If you do like that, it will be very much helpful for you only in future. Okay. Just take the question. For example, these load the coordinators and students. Okay. So just can take the screenshot of that question, or you can everything like that only. For example, I'm showing the filter. Yes. If you follow all these exercises, it's like real time interview only. Okay. See, just add question number 1. Question 1. What do you do? Simply take that screenshot from that directly. Create below 3 tables. Just take that. So all this will be helpful for you only in future. Of course, you have to share to me, right? And mention as answer. Answer how you want to do? Go to the Informatica PowerCenter, and whatever you have done, assume that this is the mapping you have done for the exercise. Take the screenshot of this and paste in the below the answer. Add like this and go to the workflow level. If you have done any settings, please show that also. Okay. Just take a screenshot of this also and go to the monitor and show me the results, whatever you achieved based on the exercise, whatever the result you achieved, that you can show here. Okay. You can show like 107 to 107 record. It is loaded like that. You can do it. So I am not going to force everyone, but if you do like this, it will be helpful for you, because everybody will not have full time, but you can make time and you can do it. Okay. And finally, take this Oracle and show me whether it is loaded or not. This also you have to, it's like a documentation. Okay. Okay. You asked this question. If you want, you can make a note like this and you can show this also. See here, 107 record, it is loaded, right? So that I will get an idea. Okay, you have done very perfectly. Correct? So below this, then your exercise is 100% correct. Then in the same way, just save this file in your name. For example, your name is Ashok, so that I can able to differentiate whose exercise this one. Ashok exercise. So this is only for Informatica PowerCenter. But you have to do this exercise even in the IICs also. Okay. Same exercise. Same scenario. Same exercise. Assume that you have done this in IICS. Correct? You will do the mapping like this. You will do the mapping like this. Okay. Assume that you used some transformations here. Okay. You added some transformations. You added some transformations here. Correct? I asked for some record to filter. Okay. You add a filter and you have done some settings and all here. Okay. Filters and all you have done here. Okay. I asked for some question in this filter. I asked for salary more than 10,000, like this. Okay. Save. Run. Yeah, we'll complete it in over. We'll complete. So exercise how you have to complete, that I am showing. That plays a very big and important role. That's why I'm showing very clearly. Simply completing the sessions by watching the video, and after that you complete the exercise also and share to us. You can share through the email ID or you can share through the WhatsApp also. The document, whatever you completed. See here, previously it was 107 record. Since I filtered only the salary more than 10,000 alone, it is showing only the 15 records. Okay. So what do you want to do now? Take the screenshot of that mapping, whatever you've done, right? In future, you will get an idea. Okay, you will not forget everything. Okay. Okay, take the screenshot. Assume that this is the exercise and add in the whatever same example, same scenario you have to do in PowerCenter and IICS also. Okay. Then you show the platform of this also. Okay, you got right? You got a result, correct? After completed. Yeah. Yes. After completed, if you want, you can share this setting also. And after completed, after running also, go to the My Jobs. The My Jobs, please open this and show me this difference. Okay. Source is 107 record and 15 records is there in the target. Take that screenshot and post it, paste it in this. So it will be helpful for you only in future. And show me that it is loaded only this many records only here also. Since I have not given the truncate, it will be added here. Okay, truncate we have to give. Otherwise, it will load once again. See here, why it is 122 record now? Can anyone tell? Yeah, previously it was 107 record. From IICS, it is loaded some 15 records. 107 plus 15. Yeah. So like this, you have to show the screenshot of this also. Yes. Then you just make this file and send to me through the email ID or WhatsApp. Any questions? Any other questions? Those who are in the LMS and those who are in the Zoom. Any questions is there? Please ask. About your profile, about your issue or any questions is there? Please ask the question.
I want to know where is the interview questions.
Yeah. Okay. Please go through this. I already shared this document for you. Okay. In this, you have the complete interview question answers.
In
See
this
here.
document only?
Yes. In this only all the documents is available. Interview question answers.
Okay.
So you have the 500 plus questions on only on CDI, 500 plus question only on CI. Crack the interview. It is only for PowerCenter. This also PowerCenter. This also PowerCenter. And SQL separately is there. So this is the CDI interview question answers. It is having 500 plus questions. Okay. Crack the next interview. So here we have.
We should start with which one? SQL? The interview.
Yeah, SQL first. Yes, SQL. Okay, I'll add another page today itself in our website. You can, yeah, 1 second. Let me tell this and okay, this is only for CDI and it is for CAI. CAI also 500 questions plus is there. This is for those who enrolled for them only. Okay. Yeah, this is only for CAI. CAI. Okay, let me tell 2 minutes only on CAI. CAI is also very important. Okay. Just a moment. Okay. CA is also most important. I think I missed to tell, and it's too late also now. Okay, but still let me tell. Okay, this question also this is related to IACs only, right? This is only for PowerCenter. Crack the next interview. This document is very much helpful for your how to explain about yourself. That is also that is the first question they will ask. Okay, how to explain about yourself. This is an example. Okay, hi, this is Prashant. I am from Bangalore. I am a MTech graduate having 3.8 years of experience into Informatica and IICS Cloud. From last 1 year, I got the opportunity to work in IICS project. I am currently working in IICS Developer in Infosys. Here, migration is in process from PowerCenter to IICS. Our client here is Takeda Pharmaceutical and one of the 20 pharmaceuticals company. Okay, what are the activities you will do daily? All the activities we mentioned, you can tell some 5 to 6 activity in this. Okay, regularly engaging in business analysis and data modelers to comprehend project requirements, mapping logic development, develop logical process for loading data incrementally using mapping variables, complex ETL mapping design and develop complex ETL mappings for handling type 1 and 2. Okay. You don't want to tell all these activities. You can tell some 5 to 6 or 7 activities. Code migration from data defect. Okay, these are the activities normally a ETL developer will be doing daily in his day-to-day work. Okay, and we have a lot of interview question answers. What is the meaning of data warehousing? So all the questions and everything. So these are very much asked questions. These are very much asked questions with clear explanation. We given the question and answers. Okay. And apart from this, you have the interview question answers even in the website also. You can go through that as well. Yeah, you can practice the SQL here itself. You don't want to practice or you don't want, no, you have to install everything, but for practice I given here. You cannot depend only on this. See, crack the next interview. Interview PowerCenter, Informatica PowerCenter. See here. So, see here, click on this plus symbol, you will find the answer. Click on the plus symbol, you will find the answer. For all 100 plus questions is there. And you can go through the notes. Click on the notes, you will find the full notes here. Okay. So we put lot of effort to create all these things. So it is having ready-made everything. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Like this notes, exercise. We have the exercise here also. You can complete this also. But this is for everyone. This is a free one. Okay. Complete exercise. Download exercise file. You can download the exercise file and it will get downloaded. Right? Okay. Like this. Now, so like this, mapping documents, everything is given. Same way, this is for IICS. This is only for IICS. This questions is only for IICS. What do you know about IICS? What is runtime environment? What is metadata and everything? 100 plus questions. If you are interested, you can go through the Azure Data Factory also. So this is having 50 questions, a top 50 ADF interview question answers like this.
So did you prioritize while making the questions, like what are all important first 200 sets of questions like that, or how do we
All the questions are important only given here. From the beginning, wherever you take, you at least practice 50 to 100. Either it is in the website or whatever I given in the separately for you, that also. Okay. 500 plus questions, if I given, the priority is first 100 to 150. Like that you can take. Okay.
Yes, the priority is 150.
Beginning one.
Be
Beginning. Yeah.
covered.
Yes.
Okay.
If you have time, you go through whatever possible. But I recommend up to 150 is important. And SQL, if you ask, this is only for SQL practice. You can do the SQL practice. Other pages, SQL introduction. Learn the complete SQL for free in this platform. Okay. What is SQL? Why it is important? Everything. Just to go through this, everything explained with big, very good examples. And how to import tables. You can simply take these queries and you can practice directly. Okay. You can download the CSV file here itself. See here, it is got downloaded. And how to import? Like this, you can import. See here, it is got downloaded, right? Select star from students and you can import like this. And every steps you given, just follow this in the Oracle SQL Developer. Once if you import, then it is done. Import data successful, import committed, like this. Okay. Same way you can do for coordinators table. Create the table first, then import the CSV file. Create the table, CSV file, 3 tables. Okay. Same way, different languages of SQL. You can learn the SQL for free here. It's for free for everyone. Okay. Yeah. Next, constraints. Full constraints we given here. You can simply copy paste and you can do it. Okay. So how the constraints will work? If you do the wrong, how it will give the constraints violation? Everything you've given here. And the single row functions, all the single row functions we given, you can simply take and practice everything easily. Okay. But we have the live session for all these things for those who enrolled. Joins. Okay. You can do the joins. What are the joins available? Completely is given. Why use joins in real time? SQL. So joins in SQL, joins in Informatica PowerCenter. What are the naming difference? See, inner join, we call it as normal join. Left outer join, master outer. Right outer, detail outer. Full outer, full outer. And you can take all these queries and you can practice directly. It's a joins query. See here, two tables are there in this. Student table is there, coordinator table is there. These are the joins queries. Lot of queries we given. Right? Same way, aggregation. Select minimum, max, sum, average, count, everything. Rank, ranking functions. What are rank? What is dense rank? What is row number? Everything. So these queries and all you can simply take and you can paste it in the SQL platform and you can practice directly. Okay. It's readily available. Sorting functions. What are the sortings? Union and union all. Set operators. Simply you can create the table. First you have to create the table. Create statement given. Student union A, B. And insert statement also we given. Create the table and insert statement also we given. Okay. And the union operator, union all, everything. If you follow this, SQL will be very, very easy. And the exercise also we given here. Exercise. Click on this. Yeah. Yes, yes. Yeah. Okay. So any other questions? If you want a job support after getting the job, you can register here. If you want job support after getting the job, you can register in this job support platform. You can give your name and everything. We will give the free job support after you get the job. Okay. That services we are giving very actively. Okay. So if you want to read some blogs, you can go through these blogs, right? So what is ETL basics and all it is given. You can read this, you will get some good knowledge. What will you learn in the IICS combo? What is ETL and why it's important for modern companies? How to move from non-IT to IT and easily and safely, right? Like this, everything is there. So yeah. Okay. So please go through any other questions, please. Shall I stop now or any question is there? Yeah, yeah.
Next, tomorrow we have class.
Yeah, tomorrow also we have the class. Yes.
Okay,
Tomorrow we have
tomorrow.
SQL question, SQL class.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
So
So
this class will go on till now. It has started 19th, right? Uh,
yeah,
till
till
when?
weekly minimum 5 classes will be there.
Okay. So
Okay,
when
maybe
will
one or 2 days, maybe one day class, maybe not there, or I will take 6 class also. Normally we have our commitment is Monday to Saturday.
okay.
Sometime maybe will not take. Okay. Five
I
classes should
mean
be there.
Saturday.
Saturday also should be there, but sometimes,
Mm-hmm.
but minimum you can expect five
Friday.
classes. 5 classes minimum will be there or 6 class also.
Okay. So tentatively when it will end?
Tentatively means other 1.5 month to 2 months you can expect.
Okay. So end of October it will end or it will stretch till November?
Yeah, it's now 19th or 20th, right? 20th means
Yeah.
November. November, half of the November, it might be completing. Okay, or before November.
Okay, this job and all, when we'll start this
That
thing?
I already told. After the 20th session completed, we will prepare the resume and Naukri profile. You can attend the mock interview. After 23rd session, you can start to attend the real-time interview after 25 sessions. So based on the sessions, you can, the same process if you follow, you should get the job within 40 or 45 session. Parallelly, everything will go. It is not that after completing the session, you will go to the interview. Parallelly, you have to follow this also. So that before completing the sessions, you will be in a job. It's practically happening in the previous batches also. If you follow this process, then it's very much easy. Everything is okay. Yeah, Ashok. Yeah. When you completed the degree? When you completed the degree? Okay. Fine. Okay. No problem. You can join. No problem. Yes. Okay. Power BI you are working. Yes. Power BI, you can definitely learn this. You are very much suitable. No problem. Sure. Sure. Okay. You call me after tomorrow or even now also after this session, you can call me. Yeah. Yeah. What is Pradeep? Yeah. Pradeep. Yeah. Tell me, Pradeep. Fine. Okay. You call me, no problem. Okay. Any other questions, anyone? And those who are in the Zoom, any questions? Pradeep Reddy. Who is this? Our Pradeep, the old Pradeep.
Yeah.
Hi, Pradeep garu ela unnaru?
Yeah, fine, sir. We'll call you,
Happy
sir.
to see you again. So, okay.
I was also interested to continue with
How
this
was the
IICS
session? It was good.
combo. Yeah, good, sir. Completely with total
Got a refreshment
information
once
from
again.
learning and the
Got an idea.
total information you have given regarding the learning stuff and how to crack the job.
Okay. It's more than enough, right? To understand everything.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay. So,
Mm.
okay. Please call me after some time, Pradeep Garu. You
Yeah,
okay?
sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Tomorrow I will be calling you.
Yeah. Sure. Okay. And others, any questions? Gayatri Srinivasan, you're already enrolled. You want to enroll? And Asus, any questions? Anyone in the Zoom and LMS portal? LMS portal, any question is there? Yes, Srinivas. Yes, Srinivas. What is the question? I think your network issue is there. Not what? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sure. Okay. You call me tomorrow. I'll tell you. Okay. Experience and all, I'll tell you how to make experience certificate and all. I'll tell you. Okay. It's very common. Don't want to worry about this. Okay. You get ready with the skill. Everything will follow you. Okay. If you have the skill, all other challenges you can solve all other problems. If you have a pakka exercise document, if you really worked also, if you don't, if you are not having a good skill, then there is no use. Okay. There is no use. You have all the good documents, everything is done pakka, everything. If you are not practiced well, there is no use. Based on your current work, they are not going to give the job. Based on your cracking the interview, they are going to give the job. Okay. No. If you are working in the real time, you will not get the job. Since you are already working, you have to crack the interview. Yes, based on skill only, everyone will get the job. You have to crack the interview. Yes, same process for everyone. Until you, yes. Okay. Uh, yeah, Rekha, please go ahead. Yeah, Rekha, I'm audible. Please go ahead. Yeah, you are audible. Please go ahead. Okay. Yeah, SQL. Yeah, we'll have SQL. Yes. See, here itself I showed, right? Just follow this itself. It's very easily you can master the SQL completely. And we have the session also, live session also. All the sessions will go through SQL also. Don't worry. If we are doing the joins, we'll do the joins in SQL first. Then we'll go for PowerCenter. Yes. Yes. See, for example, no, not that I'm telling. Yeah. So that's fine. Okay, no problem. That even if you're no problem, no problem. Okay, any other questions, anyone? Any other questions, anyone? Those who are in the Zoom, any questions? Uh, Kirtan, it is done, and okay. Yeah, you're audible. Please go ahead. When you completed the degree? When you completed the degree? Okay, sure. Okay. So these are the sessions we are going to cover like this only. Yes. Yeah. See, we'll see the differentiations. Okay, SQL. Okay, joins in SQL, joins in PowerCenter. Like this, if you learn, then you will be very much comfortable for everything. First, we will go through the joins SQL. Joins SQL, different SQL. Then joins in PowerCenter, join ICS, and Snowflake also. Like this, if you go, then yeah. You have to practice yes. Snowflake also definitely.
But you're telling first 4 days SQL, right? And then
It's
how?
purely only SQL, and after that, topic wise SQL with the PowerCenter.
Okay.
Yes, if you are doing the all the transformations, for example, filter transformation, how to do the filter in SQL first, then how to do the filter in PowerCenter, then how to do the filter in IICS. If we are doing the aggregation transformation, how to do the aggregation in SQL, how to do the aggregation in PowerCenter, how to do the aggregation in IICS. In this way, it will go. So always do this with Snowflake also. I give an exercise for Snowflake also. Yes, Snowflake is important. Don't ignore. You can see how many records is there. Assume that I just loaded just 107 record. Okay. I loaded only 107 record. If I load this many records, how much time it will take? You think? In the session I will tell you. Okay. We will load 15 crores records from one end to another record. It will take time. So this is what the real time. In the real time, it will to complete a mapping, it will take 15 minutes, 20 minutes also. The data will load from one end to another end. Yeah, this Snowflake will make more interesting your platform. Yes. Yeah. Then how to create the transmission. This also transmission also available even in the Snowflake. Actually, Snowflake is thinking to remove all the ETL tools in the world. They have to do everything themselves. That is what their target, Snowflake. But it is not still now, it is not achieved, but it's not only a database, it has ELT also. We have the ETL, but in Snowflake,
Why
it has
Snowflake is used? What is the
Snowflake,
difference between this Informatica tools and Snowflake?
Snowflake is a data warehouse commonly. Okay.
Okay.
See, this Snowflake is a data warehouse. Here only you will keep the data and the people will take the data from that and they will do the reportings and they will. So this is how. So here the source is getting and you are keeping the data, past data, last 10 years data, 50 years data, 100 years data, everything they have to maintain, right? For example, SBI Bank. Okay. In SBI Bank, you will get the statement for how many years in your internet banking? Any idea? Pradeep Garu? If you go and see the statement in your internet banking, only 2 years available. More than that, you will not get, correct? But suppose you want, I want to know the statement of before 5 years. Okay, before 5 years, you have to go to the bank only. But they have to give the data for even last 10 years also. Suddenly you are coming and asking, you are showing this statement for whom I paid. You give me the account number. The bank is responsible, correct?
Yeah, so they will be using these tools. I mean,
Yes, bank will be using IICS. Bank will be using IICS for ETL tool. Bank will be using Snowflake for database. The ETL tool will transform the data based on the requirement and they will keep the data. So this is a UTL tool. These are Snowflake. This is your source Oracle or something like that, or any other also. Okay. I'll tell you in the next session what is ETL tool and how it will transform, the basics of why the ETL tool is important. Okay. Everything. If you're running a company, I'll just tell you in a very short way. If you're running a company, you will get a lot of data, right? You will have a lot of branches. You have to keep the data somewhere very carefully, right? So we have to move through this, move the data to the Snowflake. So this is your company, this is your data warehouse. The data analytics we cannot able to do here itself, since the data will affect, because a lot of fluctuation will be there in this. Previously they were keeping the data here itself and they were doing the data analytics also here only, but the data will keep on change, right? The data is keep on coming inside. So what they done, just so ETL tool, okay, I don't want to send all the data. Here I have some 10,000 records. The client is saying, I don't want all these records. You send only the 1,000 record to the Snowflake. Then what you will do? You will use a filter transformation and filter it and you will keep it in the Snowflake for future data analytics. This is how the ETL tool and everything is coming in the picture. Any other questions? Hope it's very clear. Any other questions is there? Please ask, otherwise I'll stop now. Okay, you call me. Okay, thank you all. Yeah, I hope it's clear, everyone. Thank you all. So my request is please complete the exercise, and as of now, please start to install the softwares, Informatica PowerCenter, IICS, Snowflake, Oracle, everything. Okay. Thank you all. I'll stop now.